Yesterday, I showed you how to make half square triangles and 4 patches, a really easy way. These are the building blocks, in my opinion, to a ton of different designs. If you can master these, you are in good shape. And today, I'm going to show you how to put them all together and all the different variations. My name is Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. This is day 14 of Christmas in July 2025. I'm so glad you're here. I am loving this series. I hope you are too. All right, let's get started. So I made up a whole bunch and I am ready to go. So we're gonna play. It's gonna be fun. And I'm gonna show you a finished tabletopper top that I did in fall colors using this method. All right, these are the ones we made yesterday. I'm gonna hold off on those because I wanna show you in a different colorway in purples. Look what happens when you put these together. Well, first, if you even just put 4 patches with squares, it's so pretty. You could see that with the darks. You could turn it around like this. You could have a lot of fun. Here's one with lights. Oh, look how pretty. All right, let's see it with half square triangles. Okay, look at that. You can do that. You can turn these. And these all have different names. I think Jacob's Ladder, there's one. Oh no, Jacob's Ladder is a 9 patch, I'm sorry. But if you had more, let me see, I have some half square triangles here. You have to use your imagination a little. Oh, here we go. Do I have enough? I think that's Jacob's Ladder. I can't remember if it's turned in or not, but you get the idea. So you can do a lot of things with these. This, I think, is called the hourglass block. And you know what? There's so many different names to some of these, and it really depends on which way the fabrics are going, what the name is. So I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna go there because I'll get all kinds of confused. You can do all kinds of things. I love this. And I was just looking, you know, these greens that I have for Christmas are perfect. Green is a great color. It goes with so many different holidays. Think about it. It really does. You can do things for the fall. You can do things for Easter, even just spring quilts, anything like that. Christmas, of course. So many things go with green. These, look at, oh, and these are the ones I have for the Christmas one I'm going to show you. Look at that. That green really looks pretty. Ooh, let's see what this looks like. And then if you did something like this, you could turn the blocks and have these, when they come together, go like that. Oh my goodness, so many ideas. All right, I'm really excited to show you the Christmas ones. Same thing. You can do this. Let's put these here. So we have that block. Really pretty, right? Okay, if we turn these, we have this block. Very different, very pretty. And then we can even turn these and have even a different block. You can turn one. But what really the magic happens is when we put them all together, which I will show you in a minute. But let's first lay a few more colorways in here so you can see how it just drastically changes. If you do this, you could even do a red border to pull out that red. You can put these in and you get more of a blending type of effect like that. Let's see, let's try these with the reds. Now here, these are directional fabrics. This is something you may want to pay attention to. You may not, it may not bother you, but it is something to think about. Oh my goodness, that might be my favorite. Oh, you just have some fun. This is supposed to be fun. We're creating, it's our hobby. Have fun with this. I like that a little. Oh, see, this is what I mean. This one's going this way, this one's going this way. So I think I have 2 of each. Here we go. If that bothers you, sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't for me. You can fix it. You could change these colors. You could do reds, which I'm going to show you in a minute. But what really makes it sparkle is when you put them together. Let me show you. Look what we just did. We made a star. This one, actually, these aren't right. It should be like this, but like that. Now, if we add the blacks, it does change the whole look. Oh, I might not have enough of these, but I don't. So I use them in a different block, which I'm gonna show you in a minute. But you can see how, get the idea with the black, how it just changes everything. We'll put this one here just to mix it up. It just makes the whole look of the whole thing different. And if we change these, It's like magic. It's so much fun. All right, this is the thing I want to show you. This is so much fun. Okay, I'm gonna put these away. All right, big reveal. Well, one of the big reveals. I have another quilt top made, like I said. Look what I did. Oh! So here are 4 of these blocks. And right there's the green that I couldn't use. Look at how pretty. Oh, actually, I think I had it. So these greens are opposite. And then these. Okay. Look at that. But watch when you turn them. Just like this. You have a wreath. Now watch what happens when you get them all the same way. Come on. You can have so much fun with this. You can also add sashing strips and cornerstones, which is what I did in the fall one. Let me show you. This is the big, big reveal. Look at this. Isn't it pretty? And then this green came from that same line that the purple came from. So make sure you're using those leftover jelly roll strips in different ways because this is a great way to do that. It's not perfect. I noticed this isn't exactly perfect. That's okay. Once this is quilted, you're not even gonna know. This will be so pretty. I could add borders. I could add cornerstones up here. This could be a quilt block in itself. And then you can make a bunch of these. This measures 17.5 right now. I believe. Let me look at my notes. Yes, 17.5. And it just has 4 of the blocks we just talked about and some really skinny sashing strips. I am in love with this pattern. You don't have to match anything when it comes to these, so you don't have to worry about the whole pressing thing because you have the sashing strip in there. It's so much fun making these. I have a ball. And the thing about it is there's so many variations. Again, like I said yesterday, you could make one for Aunt Sue and one for Grandma Jane and one for your daughter and give them at Christmas and nobody would probably notice. They might notice that they're the same fabrics, but the variations would be different. You can make table runners, table toppers. These would be pretty big placemats, but if you sized it down, you could do placemats even. What else? Wall hangings would be beautiful in this. It's just such a, oh, pillows. This would make a beautiful like holiday pillow. You can make a couple of them. Great gifts. You could even make table toppers for each season if it's somebody you really like. So many possibilities with this, and it's so much fun. By the way, this fall one right here, made completely from scraps. So you can use your scraps too. As always, I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I will see you tomorrow for our Q&A. And yes, my husband will be here for that. So have a great day.